Available Feb, March, and April and off-season 2026. Need a first-floor vacation condo on the golf course? Here it is. Open floor plan, granite in the kitchen, nicely updated bathrooms, king bed and master bedroom, queen bed and guest bedroom, vinyl flooring, smart TV in living room, screened lanai with golf view, golf transfer available if desired for a fee. Check with Clubhouse for fee schedule. Stoneybrook is a gated community and one of Sarasota's most popular golf and tennis clubs, featuring a newly modernized Kipp Schultes golf course, Har Tru lighted tennis courts, a fitness center and state-of-the-art clubhouse with restaurant and grill room offering casual or formal dining. The community is centrally located on Palmer Ranch, just a short distance from the sugar sandy beaches of Siesta Key, the village shops and restaurants, and borders the Legacy Trail walking and biking trail access. Call to book your vacation now.